Hello everyone, and today I will tell you about getter and setter in JavaScript. So first, let's create an object called student. And so this one is an object, and we have name is John Doe, and age is 19. So now we can use name and age easily. For example, console.log student name. And let's have a look at the terminal. I am in the folder JS and I will use Node.js to run the file. Getter and setter. So we can see this one is John Doe. And I can even change the value of name. So like student name is Jane Doe. And now let's have a look at the terminal. And we run it again. So the name has been changed into Jane Doe. So it's quite simple. But now I want to use getter and setter to change this one. So I will get name and this one. So remember, here we have a keyword get, and this one is set name. And in here we have, in the middle we have comma, and for get name we will have to return this dot underscore name. So it's like a convention to write the underscore here to return the name of the student, and set name here will receive a value as a parameter, and we will have return this underscore name equal to the value, just like this. So now I will change the name of the student from, I will set the name of the student is Peter White. Now let's see what happened. So it is Peter White because this one is using the setter and this one is using the getter. And you may ask, why do we have to use setter and getter? So the answer is very simple. If you want to control the input of the user, and you will have to do like this. And for example, if the user enter a name and with a space here and or a space here, so you will need to change the string here with a trim, for example, and or you may want to write them all in the capital letter. So for example, you can write like this one, to uppercase. So now let's have a look. We run it again and we can see here all is in uppercase. And for example, here they have some problem. They mistype this one. We have some space here, and then we can also do trim. And now let's check the result. So there is no space before and after the word Peter White. So we have successfully used setter, this one, and getter, this one, in JavaScript. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. See you again.